Assalamualaikum. Hey there, grade 4 students. Welcome to our ICT lesson. Today we are diving into something super fun and exciting. Your ICT Get ICT book and an amazing programming tool within this, that is your Scratch. Okay, first I am going to show you the book content and specifically the unit number 7, which we are going to focus on it. Okay, this is basically a book content, and specifically we will focus on unit number 4, that is Scratch. This is where you get to start your journey with the programming using a Scratch. Okay, in unit 7 basically you will find the 4 lessons. Okay, these 4 lessons that will help you get comfortable with the Scratch, a fun and easy to use a programming language. Let me show you what each lesson is all about. Okay, alright, let's look what you are going to learn in unit number 7. That first up we have lesson number 1, that is introduction to a Scratch. Means I'm going to introduce you to a Scratch, how to start a Scratch on your computer, and then how you are going to install this software, and then how does the screen appear, what does the each component of the screen, the Scratch screen, would be called as. Okay, okay, and then Scratch is basically what, if someone asks you what is Scratch, you can probably, I hope that after the end of this video you will be able to answer the question that what is basically a Scratch. Scratch is basically a programming language that lets you create like stories, games, animations, and it is basically super colorful and use of, like, these are the multiple blocks, you can see use of blocks, and that you can snap together like building the Lego bricks, and also multiple things you can create into this. Okay, okay, by the end of the lesson you will know that your way around the Scratch, and you will be ready to start creating it. And then lesson number 2, okay, this is all about the lesson number 1, and then I'm moving toward the lesson number 2. In the lesson number 2, Scratch blocks, you will dive into the blocks that makes the Scratch works. Basically these blocks are like a puzzle pieces that give you instruction to the character, your sprite in your project. And then you will learn how to use these blocks, how to make your sprite move, how to make your sprite talk, how to even make the sound. Can you see that motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, all of these are the blocks which allow you learn all of these, this is how your sprite will move, talk, even make the sound. This is where the magic starts. And then in the lesson number 3 we will do the activities. Move the sprite, you will get to practice making a character or sprite move around the screen. You can make your own sprite to dance, jump, or even go on an adventure across the screen. And then it would be a super fun to see your sprite come to life, and you will get to experience with the different movements and direction. And finally we will have this lesson, that is lesson number 4, that is change the costume. You will learn how to give your sprite a new look. Costumes are different looks, or basically the outfits that you can switch between the scenes. For example, if you are creating a cat sprite, you can change it so that it looks like a walking or running or even dancing. So changing the costume is a great way to add some personality and creativity to your project. So you will learn how to switch the costume between the costumes to make your projects even more fun and interesting. Can you see that? This is the basically the change the costume means. Okay, and then by the end of the unit number 7 you will have all the skills you need to start making your own interactive stories and animations using the Scratch. This is just the beginning of your programming journey, and I can't even wait to see what you are going to create after you are going to learn this from me. If you want to get a head start, you can check out the Scratch website as well. The link would I'm going to give you in the description, and also I'll provide the Scratch software, where you can easily install the software or download it. I will also provide that software in the description box. And at the end I would like to say thanks for joining me today, and be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and share button if you are excited to start learning Scratch, and subscribe to our channel for more fun ICT lessons. See you in the next lesson, inshallah. Happy coding.